Yes, blessed morning, people who have a good day, wherever you're from, Caribbean, yard or abroad. Yeah, guys, we're outside here in Paris at the airport. Guys, we're at work. As you can see, the plane is leaving. Yo, it's crazy raining. Some big ice glass like salt. Oi, oi. Oi, oi. Yeah. What's that? Some nice minty in that. Look at that. Go outside. Water more down floor, guys. Still raining. Look at that. Oi, oi. Rain is leaving. Look at that. It's crazy raining. Still raining. It's still raining. Now, go back in the bus. Why? Water more than flour, guys. Water more than flour today. Why? Yes, people. Look at that. Tunisia. Why? People, have a safe flight. You have British Airways passing over there, so. British. Ooh, Air France up in the sky, they going. And pilots are brave, eh? They are belly boy. They're used to it, guys. Still raining, as you can see. Why? Look at that. You're on the outside. People, Caribbean, take care of yourself. Bless up on yourself. See me out. Yes. Outside here in Paris at work. Full of rain. So right now it's lunchtime. I'm going to eat something. So people big up on yourself. Love same way. Oh, yo. Look at that. You're out.